Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reviewing something rather special. We've just bought an Ecovacs Deebot X1 TURBO, and there it is in the box just in front of me. So join us.
So you might be seeing us for opening up this box, so we're gonna get started.
Hello people of the world.
Wow. Is this the real robot vacuum?
I was asked the other day what was the order, black or white one.
Black.
Everybody, watch out the way.
I am a robot.
Is this the real thing?
I am here to take over your planet. We will defeat you.
No, you won't.
We will.
No, you won't. Can we see how it works?
We do not need instructions. Planet.
This is what brushy thingy. Get the brushy thingy out. But then what's that?
Yes,
Does it
we
go
sent you
inside?
a robot. More robots.
Oh, that goes inside to clean it. That's so shiny. Can I ride it, Mummy? Can I ride it around the
No,
house?
you can't sit on it, guys.
There's a wheel, though. No.
I think it's slide.
Me see too.
Oh, look at that. There it is.
Can we test it out, please? Can I touch this? Can I feel that little silvery part? That feels like stickers. It's like a sticker.
Instruction.
Wow, it's tiny.
It's real if no one's
It's filling the water probably, yeah.
Wait, do they have sound effects?
Sounds like
This is behind the scenes footage. How the YouTube videos are made.
It's like you pulled this up. Wait, what was it called again?
Eco.
Is that nothing? Is that thing?
Ready?
What is going? Oh, it's so cool.
Should be mopping.
Eco, the baby tummy, go over there.
Should be
I
mopping.
can
There
see
you
it's
go,
warm here, I
mopping.
can see it. It's well on the floor.
Oh, it's going over there.
Fast now. Oh.
It's going to that fluff.
Ball.
Oh.
Wow, so close. Do you see how close it went?
Get it. Look at that. Go here. And they had one of those. And the thing just went around. Trying to get those shoes. No, he's coming. He's coming.
It's going to be coming down the hallway into the kitchen now, Olivia.
Maybe she's probably going. He's trying to jump over it.
There he goes.
Come this way.
Oh, speed. There's a need for speed.
It's going in your direction. Wait. It's going into the living room, I think. Oh no. Yeah. It's going in. Bye. Going to the living room. Come with me, everybody. Oh, it's going one. One goes there. It's the floor wet. Oh, it is, are you? It is actually. It's actually wet. Yeah, it is.
There you go.
It's parting.
Zoom.
Closer. Go in.
Nice.
Come out. Wait, will it go out if I press that button again?
That's crazy.
So what do you think?
Ecobot.
Brilliant.
Come out.
Lewis in work said to me when I was telling him about us getting one of these, he said he thought it would be like walking into our house would be like walking into Tony Stark's house. And if you don't know who that is, that's Iron Man.